Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com, and today I'm back with another video in the how to start a print-on-demand business. So today we are going to be talking about printed make. Okay, but before we get into that, I want you guys to make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I upload weekly and I bring you amazing videos and tutorials. I mainly talk about print on demand business, but I'm also an author, so I like to talk about books and business as well. All right, so printed make. I'm just gonna tell y'all, printed make to me is like the bougie, like the bougie print on demand site. Like, it's just so fly and beautiful that, it's bougie to me, okay? If you don't know what bougie mean, look it up. We don't got time for that today. But here, I want to just go ahead and show you guys how to set up your account and possibly create your first product. I don't want this video to be super long, but I've also already ordered my sample, so you will get a printed make review. Yes, I only ordered a shirt because that is the main thing that I use in print on demand business. I do mugs and other stuff as well, but I know a lot of people are looking for alternatives right now. So you're just gonna get the shirt, and if you want a sample of something, you're gonna have to go on the website and do it yourself, okay? I can't go out here ordering everything for everybody. I'm just gonna do the shirts because that is the most popular thing that most people use print on demand sites for. So before we jump into this, I just want you guys to know that Printed Make integrates with Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, and WooCommerce. And of course, you see they have their banner up here. Our production time is currently 7 to 10 business days. I did order, I think I ordered last week Friday, and I believe my order should be here either this weekend, maybe Saturday. So that's about, yeah, I'm gonna say about 7 to 10 days. That was actually on trend. So this is the Printed Make website. Here you have the home, you have about, why Printed Make, you have a list of their products, resources, they have a blog, and you guys like to ask me questions, but a lot of your questions can be answered right here by contacting the print on demand sites. Because like I said, I don't work for them. I'm just showing you how to set up your account and maybe possibly a few products, okay? So it gives you the option to register a few different places. Here, you can register here. They also talk about wholesale products as well. So it says no minimums, no inventory, beautiful branding. You can take control of how you want your products to look. Beautiful mock-ups, how the products look. So nice. Custom packaging. I just love everything about Printed Make, okay? This is upscale for you. So again, it integrates with Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, and WooCommerce. Again, you can learn more. And they have a few of their, I guess, probably great products here that you can see. Just look at those beautiful flat lays. Just everything about this website screams bougie as fuck, okay? So if you want to sign up, we're going to go ahead and hit register. So I've done this with my Coins and Connections business, but of course on all these tutorials, I am creating this for the military spouse and anyone else who wants to create print-on-demand business. All right, so on the top part, you just put in your personal information, your name, and your phone number. Down here in the company info, you just pop in your business name, your website, the amount of sales you get. They want to know your best-selling product, and they also want to know what are you interested in at Printed Make. They want to know who referred you. So if you guys sign up after watching this video, make sure you pop my name right in that referred by. I don't know what it does. But just pop my name in there, okay? Hit register. Okay, so now we're just going to hit my account. All right, so you see this big sign. It says, hello, let's get creative. So you can hit shop by shopping the stuff. You can see your orders. But we want to go over to our shop settings so we can set things up first. Okay, so it wants to know what is going to be displayed on the packaging. So I'm going to put Dear Military Spouse. That's who it's coming from. Our website is themilitaryspouse.com. So it also wants to know about custom packaging. Do you want the basic, which is free? So it says choose which custom packaging you want. So basic packaging is, you know, bubble, crinkle paper, and a ribbon, and then you can put a packaging label. But you know, it's bougie, so we won't take that 10% fee because we want this upscale look, right? So we're gonna get the sticker on our box, the bubble wrapping, the plastic wrapping, the invoice. We get more crinkle color sheets here. You can even choose eco-friendly. You can choose any ribbons, more colors here, packing slip logo, and a promotional header, and again, packing label. So let's work through this. So we're already gonna get those things, but let's see, maybe we want some, let's do some gold crinkle paper. We're gonna choose a little twine. Let's go ahead and add our logo. Just gonna add our logo there. Upload it. And it also gives you the pixels. Okay. A promotional header. I don't think I have one. Let me see. I might be able to. Let's use this. I'm going to download this one because it seems long enough. Let's see what happens when I do that. I did not hit PNG, so if it has the white background, that's why. And that's my fault. Not anything you did. I just didn't hit PNG. But I'm assuming this is going on your package slip. So we'll see how that comes out. It works. We're going to run with it. Let's see. See? Everything looks good so far. And then we are going to do our last packaging label. I think this is going on the outside of the package. So I'm going to use the black one because I think that's where that will be going. Oh, that doesn't look good. So let's see. Let's do the yellow because the black needs to be wider. Okay, so let's see if it shows the picture. See, it would be right there. But now it makes me want to fix it. Okay, so quickly, I'm going to fix that black one. What's the size? 1125 by 1125. So I'm going to make a copy of this. And then I'm going to make it 1125 by 1125. So we're going to go up to resize. I'm going to put in custom. And it's going to be 1125 by 1125 pixels. And then we can resize it and put the logo where it needs to be. So I'm going to make that bigger. There we go. I'm going to download that in a PNG. Well, no, I wanted that color, so I'm going to just leave it transparent. So this is me like working through this with you guys because I did not go through this process. I went through this process before, but I did it from my phone actually. So if you're short on time and you need to do it from your phone, you can, because I did it and ordered my first shirt from my phone. So that looks so much better. We're going to scroll up here and see what that looks like on the box. Beautiful. Love it. And you probably make that logo even bigger. But then we're going to hit save. So we have our shop settings done. We know what our packaging is going to look like when it gets to our customer. I'm assuming this is the same thing that we just went through, the custom packaging. It says it's in shop setting, which we just did that. But here it just gives you an overview of what to expect with the basic and the deluxe. And it says, like I said, it's, you know, the deluxe is 10% fee and the 10% of the total comes out at checkout. I'm going to hit the back button. See how long this video is so far. 10 minutes. Okay. And then you can do your default. So here you would just put in your billing address here. Your integrations will be here. So I'm going to end this video here. Oh, well, see, it says coming soon, but they lied. They said that they integrate with all of them, but it says now it says coming soon. So on the next video, we are going to set up the integration and do our first product. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the setup of Print It Make. And until next time, I love you more than I love this